What kind of alien creature is this? When I walked up to my pond ecosphere today, I noticed this little guy. At first I thought it was dead, but after moving the jar around a little, I noticed it was very much alive. One thing's for sure, after all this footage I got, he was none too happy with me. Stop moving the dang jar. So at first I thought it looked like a beetle when it was up against the side of the glass, so I googled for beetles that live underwater, and apparently other people have made that mistake too, because it wasn't very long before I found a picture that matched. And it turned out that this is a dragonfly nymph. Apparently they can stay in the water for a really long time, sometimes years, before they emerge to become a dragonfly. While googling, I saw footage of dragonfly nymphs eating even small fish, so I don't think my jar is big enough to sustain something like this, but I'm curious how far it'll go. Well, that's about it for this video. I know it was a short one, but I really wanted to share this with you because it was so cool, even before my next update video. If you want to stay up to date on the dragonfly nymph or anything else in my pond ecosphere, be sure to subscribe. See you next time!